to show you 12 different ways to wear one square scarf. I'm using 39 by 39 inches from Nordstrom. There's one thing most important to make all these looks happen with just one scarf. Stick to the end and I'm going to tell you what that is. Now let's get started. Fold it on a diagonal. Tie the knot twice to secure it. Put the knot on your wrist. Grab each of the other two corners. Twist it once, twist it twice. Pull the knot on your wrist through and make it fall right in the middle. Pull the two ends. The tighter you pull it, the smaller the rose is going to be. Now here you go. You have made yourself a beautiful rose.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm stunning, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young.
The square knot needs a little bit of explanation. First, fold your scarf from both ends towards the center until it becomes a narrow, a long band like this. Cross it once, cross it twice. Pay attention to my fingers. Grab the bottom piece with one hand. Fit it through the top. Here's a critical part. Make sure you are pulling it towards of your arm, not towards the side of your fingertips. Now use your fingertips. Find that little knot you made. Pull the other end through. Make sure you are pulling the piece that is right now at the bottom and fit it through. Now adjust it. The finished product, you have a beautiful square shaped knot.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatumata Jambele, oh mother Jembele, oh Jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, for the mother Jembele, everything being safe again now, everything for your Jembele, oh Jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you, see. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me.
You've made it! Here's one thing most important to make all these looks happen with just one scarf: the size of your scarf. If you're petite like me, I am 5'2", that doesn't mean your scarf has to be a smaller size. The scarf I'm using, 39 by 39 inches. When I first got it, it looks a little intimidating because it looks like it's covering almost my entire body. Don't worry about that. Once you fold them, it is gonna become smaller. However, if your scarf is smaller than this, a lot of these looks you will not be able to do. Scarves are wonderful options for transitioning weather. You can use it as a layering piece. When it comes to layering, it's actually a lot harder than most of us think, because every time you add a layer, that is adding a horizontal line to your body. If you don't do it the right way, they can make our legs look cut off and make our proportion look unflattering. That's especially important if you happen to be short like me. How do you make layering look flattering on you? Watch this video. These layering tips I figured out after numerous trial and error. They changed my life, and they will change yours too.